Bird, shake it. Get it. Shake it, Nick.
I came in a customer, but I leave a legend.
For everyone to win at McDonald's.
Google Nexus, Samsung Galaxy Tab 3, Navi 2. Great choices, guys.
Pretty high tech, huh?
And buying these tablets.
Shake it, Nick.
Credit card is
Shake it.
Warp speed. You guys are going to be like the family of the future. Man, the future's going to be so cool. Everybody has jetpack tennis shoes.
Own the season, the hottest tablet for the whole family. And now you can save $25
Here.
when you open and spend
Shake it.
$25 today with your new Walmart credit card account. Offer valid through 12/31/13. Apply today. Subject to credit.
Shake it, Nick.
Walmart.
I've always seen those
Shake
on
it.
TV, and I always wondered if it worked. And it's definitely
Shake it.
what everybody's
Can you do
talking
it?
about now.
It's not a razor. It's not a laser. It's no-no from radiancy. No-no gives
Oh, you did it.
with no pain.
Shake it.
No pain.
Here.
And now,
Here, shake it.
no-no is better than ever.
No, take it.
Introducing the new
Shake it.
Throw. It's
Yeah?
30% more powerful.
Nikki
Imagine
Bird?
never having to shave again.
Shake it.
I like a close shave.
Shake it.
And this is better than that. I mean,
You don't want it? No?
And
You
there's
tired?
no-no for him too.
Huh?
It looks like just like you've got
Don't bite me. Take it.
Calm down,
Huh?
and we send you everything
Chomp.
you need to get rid of
Chomp.
unwanted hair.